In this tutorial, we are going to convert this Figma template to WordPress. You can see this is our responsive Figma template, and we are going to convert it into this responsive WordPress website. You need to keep this video, and this is just a drag and drop, and you can create a responsive website and convert your Figma template into WordPress template using Elementor just with drag and drop. You don't need to code anything. Just with drag and drop fields you can create this kind of responsive website, and with animations and add-ons and everything, with the footer, header, forms and everything that you need for a website. I hope you like this video. First of all, you need to install WordPress in your domain and hosting. The video link is provided into the description that how you can install WordPress and how you can get this dashboard. First of all, you need to install a plugin that is called Elementor. So for installing Elementor, just need to click on add new and search for Elementor into the search box, and this is the plugin that you need to install and activate. So I have already installed and activated. So for building a responsive website in WordPress or conversion of a Figma into WordPress, you need to install an Elementor plugin. So I have already installed. Then we are going to go into the pages and click on add new, because we are going to create a landing page, and this is a landing page, for example, and we are going to create a landing page. So I will name it home or landing page, depends upon you. So I'm going to say it landing page and just click on publish. Now the landing page is added, so I'm going back into the dashboard, and into the settings, just go to settings and click on reading, and here just click on static page and select as a landing page as a home page. So just click on save changes. Now our landing page is set as the home page or landing page. So now go back into the pages, and here you can see the landing page is now front page. So just click on edit. Now you can see edit with Elementor, so just click on edit with Elementor. First of all, you need to click on settings, and here in the page layout just click here and select as Elementor canvas and just click on update. Now you can see this is an empty page now, and I will let you know why I did that, but for now we need an empty page, so we can start designing. First of all, we need to go in site settings and do some site settings for our website, because we are going to convert it, so we do need some basic or pre-built designs or colors into that. So first of all, you just need to click on site settings, and here in the global colors there are a few colors that we are used. So the first one is this one, the button color, I think, and this one is the color, and here primary, secondary, ASIN, so I'll just say ASIN color, this one, and this one is the background color for the black colors is the background color. So I would like to say BG color. So here it's a BG black, so I would say BG black, and this one is the BG black we will reuse into our website. And here is the text color, for example this one is the text, and here is the light black is the text color. So we need to copy that color, and here you can see just copy that, and here in the text color I will just paste that color, and here again, and this one is the title color, or you can say secondary color, but I will not touch that for now. And I think there is no any other color. If there is any other color we can use it, but for now these are main two colors. As well as here, let's see, is there any other color? No, there is no any color. So just click on go back, sorry, just save that, and here now you can see global fonts. So in the global fonts we need to make sure which font is there. So this is the Poppin color, this is the font Poppins, and you can see this is the font Poppins. So the default font is Poppins. So here I'll just, in the fonts, I'll select Poppins, and here you can see the Poppins. Secondary color is also Poppin. Text color is also Poppin, as well as accent color. Now you can see, and here just click on update, and again go back, and here is the buttons, and just click on buttons, and in the buttons you can see the text color is text font size, font is Poppin. Just select that, as well as now you can see the the font size is 16. So I'll just select 16, and here the text color should be white, and the background color is this one. So here I will select the background color, and the border color is also that one, and border radius is almost, let's see how much is that. Border radius is 5. So the border radius is 5. I will let you know the why I did that, and just you need to just write that, and here so just click on update. Now we did that also, and just go back, and now we need to do some more. And here in the typography, so in the typography we need to do the H1, H2, H3 colors, and the font families. So for example, the H1 is this one, and we need Poppins. Now for H1, H2, H3, and H4, H6 I have set the font is Poppins. Now go back, and the most important is the layout. So in the layout you should select here, for example, if you click on your design, for example here, and here you can see the 1440 is the width of this design. So here I selected that 1440. So by default it should be 1140. So you make it 1440. So for better design you need to make it same. So I'm going back. So the site setting I have done. Now first of all we need arrow. So I'll just select arrow, and here I just clicked on the logo, and just click here. You can see the export option, and just click on export, and this logo will be exported. So here I will add a new column, for example, and here add a new column, and here you can see these are now 2 columns, and I will drag and drop and adjust it. Now I will get here and select image and drag and drop here image, and here from that downloads I will upload this image here, for example, and here. So now you can see this image is here. So go here, and if you click here, and you can see this is the background, and I'll just click here and style, and in that I'll select the background color, and you can see this one is the BG. So that's why I added into the site settings. So in single click we can select the colors. Now you can see that this one is edit, and if you go here, click here, now you can see this one, and if you click here and see the width, so I will just select and make it full width, and let's see. Now we need to make it more, for example, and more visible here. No, this is visible. Now if you click here and make it more thinner, and that's looking fine, and here that's looking fine, and here I will just make it more closer and make it more bigger. Now this is okay, and now we need to add this section, for example. So I'll just click here. So we have added a logo section, and if we see the design, so now you can see there is a button section as well. So I will just add a new column, and make it almost this size, and make it like this one. So this is almost same the size in the sizes, but you can adjust according to your requirements. So here I will just add a button. So if we search here for button and just drag and drop, and here you can see this one, and we need to do some basic settings here. In the style, in the padding, we need almost just click here, and top padding should be 10, and bottom should be 10, and right should be 30, and left should be 30. So now you can see this is almost like that. And if we increase the top and bottom, and it should be almost like that, because this is in the smaller screen. So if you see here, you can see, and here go back, and here I will just select contact us. So contact us, now you can see. So here just click here and make it also middle. So this is now in the middle. So this is hover color. So if you want to change the hover color, you also can change, but for now I don't want to change, but I will change the later. And if you go here, and you can see the padding above and down is bit more, so we need to add a padding. So in the row, just click here, and now you can see in the navigator and select the section, and just click on advanced. In the margin, just deselect that, and here you just need to deselect the all, and in the top just select 10, and the bottom 10. I'll think this one is good, but if they much, but I think this one is good. Now the padding is done. Now we need to add a menu here, the navigation menu. For example, this one is the navigation menu. So for adding navigation menu, we just need to go into appearance and click on menus. In the menus, we need to create a menu. For example, top menu, just click on create. In that, you can see the top menu is created. I just named it, you can name it anything. Now you can see these are the items of menus. For example, home, about, services. So for the home is, I'll think the landing page is the home page, so just click on add new. This is the landing page, so I will just name it home. Now we need other pages, for example about our services. So for now I am going to add a simple link, so you can change it later. This one, about us. Now you can see I have added all the elements into the menu, so just click on save menu. And now after clicking on the update, we need to refresh, because the menu is will not be loaded, so we need to refresh it once. Now I have refreshed, and I'll just click here and search for menu. Now you can see WordPress menu, anchor menu, menu anchor. So you can select anyone, but I will select WordPress menu. Now you can see the WordPress menu is here. Now you can see, and I just wanna make some changes here. So in the style, just click on style, and the typography. In the typography, you can see this is already pop-ins, but I want to make sure. And here in the typography, I just selected the pop-in, as well as the font size should be 16. So this is 16 now. And again, I will just click text color should be white, so because this one is white. As well as on the hover color, in the hover color, I just select the text color as accent color, so this should be the hover color. And at the active color, I will just select the white one as the active color. Now if you go here, toggle button, so sorry, just go here in the content, and now you can see there is a button pointer underline, so I'll just select none, because we don't need the pointer inside that. So if you go here, so these are the menu, and the color is this one, as well as now if you go here and click here and make it center, because this one is also in the center. So now the menu is in the center. So here in the middle, you can see the vertical line middle, so just select that middle and just click on update. So if you want to preview the changes, so just click on preview changes. Now you can see this is the preview of the changes. Now the header area is done. We need to add the sections in under the header. So now this one is the hero section, and this one is the hero section, for example. And we need the background image. You can see this one is the background image. So I'll just click on export and export the background image. So here you can see the background image is downloaded. Now I'll go back into the designer and just click on add new and add a row, and in the row style just click on style, and in the background I will select the image that I have downloaded. So just upload that image here. Now you can see this image is added, and just click on select, and now it will not be visible, but I wanna make some changes here. Image size should be full and position should be center, and the attachment should be the display size should be cover, and repeat should be no repeat. So this is the setting that I will let you know why I did that. In the background overlay, I will select the black color as the overlay, and the overlay should be more like that, because here is the black overlay on the image. So here I will just add select here, and here in the layout I will select this one should be like that, and height should be fit to screen. So you can see this is the fit to screen, or if you select the minimum height, so you can select the minimum height. For now I am doing the settings for the background and so on, so I will select the minimum height. So after doing the settings for the background, I will do the other settings. Previously the background image was not downloaded correctly, so I have re-downloaded the background image. Now we go back into the topic, and here you can see there is an overlay on that, and I will select here again background overlay, and in the background overlay I will select that one. For example, you can increase decrease, but now you can see there is options here, as well as in the background image you can see there are video, slideshow, so on. And here mouse effect, display size, image size, and you can also make other settings as you need it. But for now I want to add the background overlay, and this one should be blend more, and here so I have selected the background overlay. And now the area is, for example, welcome to this one, welcome to Canvas learners. So here is the heading. So I will just click here and search for heading, and search for heading, and you can see animated heading. So I will just select and drag and drop here. In that I'll select welcome to, and here the other color is in Canvas learning, so I'll just select Canvas learning into that. Now you can see I will modify, don't worry. And here in the content I will select infinite loop, so we deselected, and here I selected the style to rotating, and welcome to Canvas learner, and I will modify. And in the typography is pop-ins now, as well as the text size. The text size here is almost, so font size is 18 almost, and the font weight should be 500, and the text color is for now the white, and the animated text color is that one. Accent color is the animated text color, for example. And here I think the font size is bit higher. I'll select 17. Now the welcome is here, and if you select this one is almost this one, and here the title header line is and here I'll just go here and search for heading, and here is the heading. So I will select this one as the each one, and here make it middle, and style make it white. Now this is white, and in the typography I will make sure make it pop-ins, and this one is already pop-in. And if you go here font weight, and let's see, the font weight is not given here. I will select it font weight by 700 or 600. Now in the font size I will select 70 is bigger, I think make it 60. I think 60 is better. Now you can see this design in the future is into align, so don't worry, I will give you an option. So just click here and search for intersection, and drag and drop here. So from that we need to delete the one column and just drag and drop here inside that, and in the intersection I will select the width of this inner section. So here is the width of this section, so you can see, drag and drop here. So I need 750. So this one, as well as click here and select the line height. Here is the line height, so make it like that, and here. Now it is good. Now go here, copy that, and I will select the text paragraph, drag and drop here and paste that, and just style and make it center. Now the color is white for that paragraph, and make it white. The Lawrence span, and now there is a button, so I will just copy that button, duplicate, drag and drop here. Now you can see these are two buttons. Oh, don't worry, make it duplicate, and here if you select it justify, it will be longer. In the style, just click here style, and sorry, here we need a intersection, and here I'll select intersection and make it here. Now you can see we have intersection, and we need this section as this one. So this is 750, so it should be also 750. So here, and this one select here and make it 750. Now this is 750, and just drag and drop here, and this one is here. Now you can see these are closer to each other, so just click here and make it align right, and make it align left. So here there is a difference. For example, this one is high res, and this is view portfolio. So just copy that view portfolio and make it view portfolio, and here I will just select higher us. So now this one, as well as if you go here in the style and make it right should be 60, left should be 60, I think. Make it 50, make it 50, and make it 12, as well as the style we make it 12, and here you can see this one is background is white, so here the normal background color should be white, and the text color should be the black, and the border color, you can see the border color solid, and the border color should be white, as well as you can see this one. Now as well as here, if you click here, this one, and this one is better color is solid with 1, and make it this one accent color. So now if you click here, and this one is high res, and this one is this one. So now the button is also added into that, and text color is also added, and just click on update, and let's have a preview. So this is the preview of this section. So now you can see this one. Now we make it more higher, I think. So just click on layout, and if we make it fit to screen and just click on update, and now it is fit to screen layout. Now we have created this section, and we missed a very important thing. For example, there is a line under that canvas launcher, so we need to add this underline. So I have write the CSS for this, but I want to show you how we can do that. First of all, we need to make separate. For example, I wanna make it as pen, and just go here and here. I just wanna make it separate, so this way text will be separate from the other text. Now in that I wanna add a class, for example. So this is a class, and for that class I have written the custom CSS in that. You can see there is a custom CSS. Text decoration is underline, and text underline offset is 0.2. I mean the difference between the line and this one. You can see the line will be below, and if I make it 2 it will be upper. So I want to make it 3 because this line is a bit lower, and the color is, I just made it red, but I want to make this color as this one, and for example this one is a color, and I want to just copy that color, and here in the color I will just add this color here. Now you can see this is same as this one, and just click on update and just click on preview changes, and let's see this line looks like this one or not. So you can see this line is here, and just like this one. So if we want to make the change the thickness, for example thickness is 2 pixels, or if I want to make it 3 pixels, I can make it 3, or 1 we can make it 1, but the 2 pixel thickness is good for now and enough. It looks like, so it's good. Now we go to the next section. So the next section is this one, one title, and this is all things. So I wanna add a new section. Now for this area we're gonna add a new section, for example, and if I click here and just click here 2 columns, because this one is in 1 column and this one is another column, so we need 2 columns. Now first of all, if you see that if I'm going to zoom that, so there is a line in the left. So for Elementor you cannot add a line into any text with a widget, so we need to write a custom CSS. So I have already written a custom CSS for that. So I will simply go here and just search for heading and just put there, and for that I will select H6 or H5, but I want to select H6, and here I have written the font CSS. I will just copy that CSS and paste into the custom CSS widget. For example, this one is a custom CSS widget, and paste here. Now you can see there is a line, but it is not visible for now. I will let you know how we can make it visible. First of all, we're gonna go here and just copy that and paste into our headings. Now this is actually our heading, and in the style I'm gonna click here and select the font family, as we are using Poppins, as well as in the font size it should be 18. So the 18 is actual size for that, and in the font weight I will select 600. It was very bold. And the font here, the font color is this one, because this one is that one. As well as I want to modify some or more things. For example, in the custom CSS, go in the custom CSS, and I'm gonna make it almost 80%. Now there is a line difference, or if I make it 78%, so there is 9, but 80% is good, the 80%. So this basically this CSS is for adding this line into our text, for example. And now we're gonna make the color of this canvas launcher color different. So that's for that we need to add span, so I'm gonna add span text into that. And in the content, I just wanna make it differentiate by a span, and I will select span, and here I will close the span, and here in that I will add a class and make the class name as I have written into my CSS. Now you can see I have added this class span sideline, and I wanna show you the CSS code for this class is this one. I mean, color is this one and font weight is this one, so it will differentiate just like that. So I hope you understand, but you don't need to worry about that. I mean, in most of cases we don't need this kind of tricks. And this is the sideline text into the Elementor. So Elementor does not provide the widget for that. We don't need to add it manually. So now if you see the margin, I mean the difference between that, so this is too much, so I'm gonna add a margin. For example, I wanna add margin is 90, so 90 is good for now, and I think it is too much. 80, it is good. Or now the other text is introduction to the best something, so I just wanna copy that, and here I will just add a heading here, and here I will just add, so this is the text, and to be digital agency, so the digital agency is actually span, so I will make it span, and here I will also add a new class for that. So I will select the class, so I have named it the class of heading span, so I will just copy that class, as well as into CSS I will add this class as, and here I will make the color should be, I think, blue. No, I was forget to add this one, so this one is blue, but I wanna make this color, so this color is this one, so I just want to copy that and into the custom CSS. Here is the blue, and I want to make it this one. So now you can see digital, and as well as in the content style, I wanna make the font size is 48. Let's see how much is 48. So the 48 is good. And line height, if you see the line height, so that's perfect line height. So now we're gonna add this text here, and here I just go here and search for text widget here and paste it here. No, this is the text widget, as well as our button here. So here is a button, and just copy that button and paste into that. Now it is on align right, and just make it align left, so the button is also here. Now we are going to add these images. So first of all, we need to export these images. So I wanna export this one is image, as well as this one. So this one is another image, so I just click here, export, and another image is exported. So if I click here and search for image widget, so here is an image widget, and drag and dropped, and here is, you can see rectangle 12 and 13. So I just upload 1 and 2. Now the two images are here. So first one, the back one is this one, so I will just select that, and here you can see this image is here, so I just click here and make it full. Now in that I will make it align left, as well as if you see this one, and I want to add this one image, as well as here I will just add this image here. So in that I will select this one image as well as, and select that. Now these images are side by side, so don't worry, I will make it. Just click on advanced, and here in the place position just click on absolute. So now you can see this is here, so we're gonna make it inside that. So make it drag and drop here, and no, this is almost there, and just click here and let's how it looks like. This is wider than our expectation, so in that inside, just in the layout, just click on boxed, and width should be 40 and make it. Now I want to make the width of this to be 55% or 53% or 52%, so there. And as well as if you go there and make it like that, and as well as if you see the paddings, I mean the padding between that is too low, and here I will add margin into that 30 or 20, as well as the margin here as well as 20, so it is almost there and here. Now this is almost good, and if you see that, but there is a difference. I mean this is almost there, and this I wanna make it position absolute, so position absolute, so here I wanna make it here. Now this is good here. Now this is good, I mean this is proper. So just click on update, and if I preview the changes, so this is looking good. So I want to add some of animations into that, for example. So in that image, if I want to add an animation, so I can add the animations as the animations are above. So here in the motion effects, I will add the entrance effect, for example fade in, fade down. So here you can see fade down, fade right, fade left, fade up. I mean it depends upon you. So in that in that way you can add the you can, yeah, here I want to add, I have added these motion effects, and here you can see this is here, and here in the headings, for example, and here heading. So in that I will just select the motion effects in that, and entrance should be fade in, and here in that also in the motion effects I will select fade right, and here in that I will select the motion effects. Here default should be bounce, and here I will select the different motion effects to make it more beautiful. So here is the fade right, and here I just click on update. Now you can see this is coming with a beautiful animation. So this is how you can add the animations into your elements. So anyway, we go in the next area. So which one is this one? So now you can see the padding below is not good, so I'll just select here and just click on advanced, and padding top bottom should be 70 margin, sorry. So just click on update. Now we're gonna add this area, which is basically the area, this one, and here I will just select, copy, duplicate that row, because we need just like that, I mean the row, this one. But if we add new row, we can add a new row, and here in the width I will select the 1200, because the above one is also 1200. So now in the background I will select here, and style in the background I will select the background should be, I think, this one. Let's check it, is it this one or not. So this one, and here I just copy and paste the background color, sorry, paste the background color here. No, this one is background, as well as I want to add a new column. So here this one is another column, and this is also two columns. just like that. This is just like that, and everything is same. So I will just copy and paste. So here I just copy and paste here, as well as if we go here, copy and paste here. Now we have two headings, and here as well as copy and paste here. So we have button and text, and just copy and paste here. Now we have everything, which is just need to change the styling. So here in that we're gonna click on style. Instead of that we're gonna add the white color. I think this one is white. So this is a white, not off-white, it is off-white. And here in the colors I will select this one, and this other text is, I think, we are offering. So first of all we need to change the text we are, and in that is offering. So we are offering. So for the offering color is this one. So I will just go into the custom CSS, and here this one. Now we are offering is added here, and here in our text here we just wanna change the color scheme. So this is services we can offer. So in that we can say services we can offer. So in the spam we can say the services, and here I just click that we can offer. Okay, so now in the style I wanna just change the text color to be, I mean this one is white or off-white, so this one color, and here. So there you can see services we can offer. So offer you. Okay, so here in that I will say offer you. So there you can see services we can offer you. So you can see that we can is in two text. So here, so now this is looking good, and here in that I will just style here with the text color is this one and this one. Okay, so because this one is another text, so I'll just copy that and paste into our content. This is just a dummy text, so we are just copying and pasting it. And here as well as you can see these are two texts, but now I want to add a padding here, and here in that I will select the top padding should be 70 and the bottom should be 70, and you can see the bottom and the above one. And if we click here and just click on update, and let's see how it looks like on the left. And you can see this is here, and we are going to add this area. These are actually, now we need to create these 4 boxes. So for creating 4 boxes we need 4 inner, 2 inner sections and 2 inner sections here. So first of all here I just figured out there we need to add a spacing here. Margin should be 20, I think. Good. And here I'm gonna add inner section. So here you can see there is an inner section. So here, so 2 inner sections we need, above and 2 below. So this one is first one and second one. So here in the first inner section I will select style, and in the background I will select white because this is white. And if you see there is a bit curve lines, and it is called border radius. So I will make it border radius 5, and make it solid, and border radius should be 10. So 10 is not good. And here I just want to add a simple text here, and now you can see there is a border as well as the curve lines. So if I go here in the style, and here in the border color, border width should be 1, and the border color should be white because there is no any color in the border. First of all, you can see there is a UX design is here. This one is a heading, so this is actually the UX design heading. So I will just copy that, and here in the headings I will select the heading here, for example this one, and I will select that UX. And in the style, you can see this is almost 16 pixels, and I will make it almost 18. So 18 or 19, I will select 18. Font weight, I think this is too much bold, so I think 600 is good, but not 700 bold. Okay, and make it center. Now it is in center, as well as this one. This is a text, and go here and add the text area here. Here, and in that I just paste this text, and also in the style I make it center. Now it is center. And the most important thing is icon. So I'll just go here and click on icon and just click drag and drop. So here we need an icon. I will let you know how we can add a beautiful icon. Search for icon. I think it is not dragged actually, and here now you can see there is an icon, and I will make it on top. And here in the view I will select framed. Now it is framed, and in that you can see upload SVJ and icon library. So we are going to upload SVJ because we have our own icon. So for downloading it, you just need to click here and click on export, and here you can see export as SVJ. So if you click on SVJ, and it will be exported as SVJ, so you can upload here. So here I will just click on upload, and I have already uploaded it in the library and the file manager. So I will select this one and insert. Now you can see we have a small icon inside that and a border. And in the style I will select the primary color should be white because our frame is white, and the secondary color is this one, the background one. And now in the size you can see this is too much size, so you can make it small or so on according to your needs. So now the final step, the final thing that I just wanna show you, that is making it top. So here I just click here and click on that, and in the margin select 50 and minus. You can see it is not top, and if I select 60, so this is almost above, or 65. So we need to decide it 60 or 65, but I think 60 is looking good. Now this is looking good, and here I will just click here and UX US design, and here the bottom margin and padding is, I think we don't need padding, as well as the width is auto inline or custom. Custom width you can say 50% or 40, but I will make it default. And here inside that I will add in the column, I will add the padding here, and here inside that in the text I will add margin, because we need margin below, for example margin bottom 30. So here you can see there is a difference between that. So I think it is 20 good. So 20 is good. Now in that I will make it advanced margin. Top should be 10 and it should be in minus because it should be in closer. So 5. So now I think you understand how it works, and I'm gonna delete this column and just duplicate that. Now after duplicating, the new column is ready for us, but now the issue is there should be a space between that. So here in the style you can see column gap. You can select the column gap should be default, and here in that we're gonna add margin, and margin left should be 10 and right should be 10. Here same like that here, and the margin left should be 10 and right should be 10. Now you can see this is working good. So there is another issue. So here in that font size, I think there is a difference between this font size. So this font size is actually not this one, and here it should be 11 I think. So it should be 13 or 12. Verified the text size, and here in the icon we're gonna replace the icon with this one, and because I have already uploaded the icons, so I will just click on upload SVJ and select this one, as well as it is development, so I will select the development here, as well as, and this is almost same text, so just click on duplicate, and here you can see it is on that, but click on that and add some margin here. So margin top should be 70, and here you can see just like that we're gonna replace the icons, and this one is here, and this one, another one is this one speed, and this one speed is here. So this is UX design, in this is development, and I will select mobile development here, is speed. Okay, now the speed text is changed, the icons are changed. Now I think you love it, and if you click on update, and let's see in the actual view, you can see here. So these are here, and we can also add the animations into that if you want to add. And in the style I will just click on advanced and motion effects, and here entrance should be fade down. You can see this is a fade down, and here I'll select the motion effect, fade right. So I have added some motion effects into that. So if I refresh that and see here, you can see there is another motion effects you can add according to your needs. And I realized that there is this padding is not good. So if I click here, and padding top should be 170, 100 and 20, it's good. Should be 80. So this is now good. And now another section, go to another section. So this is very important section for us because there are tabs are used into the section. So we're gonna make this section very easily. Now we designed this section of this landing page. So let's get back, and here I just add a new row, and in that row, first of all, you see that our portfolio is this is a text that have two lines before and after. So I have already created a custom CSS, so I will just add a heading, and here I have written the CSS code. So I will just paste this code, and I've also provide this code into the description, so you just can copy this code from the description if you want to add lines blocks into your headings. So first of all, I just click on style, advanced, and in the advanced I will just paste the CSS code here. So here I have just pasted the code, and let's see, is it h6? So it is h6, so we need to make it h5. So here I will just make it h5. So you can see there are headings in that. So in the style, I'll just see that what is written here, our portfolio. So I will just add here. So our portfolio is written here. So in the style, I will make the colors attributions here, and here I'll see which color is that font, and here let's see, so this is the color for our portfolio. So in the title I will just paste this code. So now we need to make it style, and let's see, we see the font size, and it was I think 18. So now we need to make it 18. So here I will make it 18, and for so to make sure you can add the pop-ins, but I have already made it pop-ins, and font weight is also 500. So now this is okay. Now we need to go in the style, and make it align center, and here in the custom CSS we go here, font family, and text align center, and here I will make it 60% now, and here I will add an inner section, and here in that, and I will delete that area because we don't need that, and I will drag and drop here, and here you can see this is okay. And now we need to click on the inner section and make the width of inner section like we need. For example, it is almost in center, so this is almost like that. So I will make that 500 or 520 22. So now our portfolio is here, text is here. Now the next text is projects and so on. So I will just copy that, and here again I will just duplicate that and drag and drop it into this area because we need it into that. So here and here I will just paste this, and here projects are in black, and the other is projects is in blue, or red. So I will just copy the projects and paste it into the span, and here. Now this is good, and here from that I will just copy that and paste here. Now you can see this is almost same, so but we need to make it line center. So now you can see the projects we have made are completed, and you can see this is very good. And if you click here and make it more closer, now I have adjusted the font, the width of this row, and now I'm gonna add the margin because we need to add some margin here, and it is too much I think, and this is good almost. And also that you can see there is a padding above this row, and here I will just add top padding and as 100 or 80 pixel, and bottom padding is also 80. So now you can see this is good, and if you see there almost, and I'm gonna add 5 pixel again, 25 is good. Now this is good, and here in the above row, and click here navigator and see that section, that section, and this is the 1200, this section, and make it 1200 because our other sections are 1200 width. Now this is for adding gallery items, you need to install essential add-ons plugin into your Elementor, into your WordPress. So I have provided this link into the description so you can install and activate. So after installing and activating, you just need to click here and search for gallery, and here I will search for gallery, and here you can see fireable, filterable gallery, and so on. So if I select filterable gallery, and we need to drag it into that. Now first of all, just click here and show items to be 3, because we have 3 items, and now it is in 3. Now the column should be 3, so we need 3 items. And the style should great, that's good. And I will let you know the other settings, but the important settings are the gallery items. For example, this one, filters. So first filter is UI and UX design, so I will select UI UX, and the second one is development, so here I will add development. Okay, now the third one is mobile app development. Okay, the fourth one is SEO. Now this is SEO. Okay, now we have tabs as we needed. So here the tabs are these, and these are our tabs. For example, if I click here, click here, click here, so the items will be changed. So sorry for the SEO spelling. Now we need to style it, these filters. So first of all, we need to add the styling into the filters, for example. So first of all, I just click here and click on the controls, and in the controls you can see the text color is black, and in the controls text color is black, but the background color is this one. So we need this color to be added into the background, so this one. Now you can see the background color is changed. And now in the typography, we need to change it into Poppins and make it Poppins, and now you can see it is in Poppins, so the color is Poppins. This is looks like that. And now if you see, there is a border radius into the corners, so I will add border radius. You can see this is 5 is not good. I think 3 or 2 I think, no, 3 is good. So now we have a good here. Now the the final touch is active color. I mean active background color should be this one, I think. Now you can see this is this one, and the text color is white. That's good. Now the border radius should be 3 as well, as because we have added 3 in others. Now this is good now. And we're gonna now design this part, because we need to add the items here. First of all, click here into the items, and into the content. And now we don't need these items, because on the hover we don't have these. So on the hover we don't need that, as well as title clickable, we don't need that. And gallery items, in the gallery items enable photo gallery, as well as if we click here, gallery items names, and enable price and so on, so we don't need that everything. And here like we don't need that everything. So here and here I just remove that, and now you can see there is dummy text, so we don't need that. And item name, we don't need that. And this is image, so in the image I have already uploaded these images, I think. So first image is that one, so I think that one. This one, I think this one is I have already uploaded, so just click and select. And now you can see this image. I will style it, don't worry about that. and clickable lightbox, and we don't need that. And here you can see there is a hover animation into that. No any other thing is available on that. Now we need to make it more settings here, so make it into control name is UI UX design, I think. Now we need to add gallery items. So first of all, first gallery item, I have uploaded an image, and here in the controls it should be lie into UI UX design, for example. And if I click here UI UX design, and if you control that, so I will just copy that UI UX, and here I will just go there gallery items, and in that item I will just lie here. So this will be attached into UI UX design, you can see. Now again I will add a new item, and in the new item just remove that dummy text, and here in the image I have already uploaded the images, so that's why I am just selecting the images. The second image is that, so I will just select that as well as. So now the second image is that, and the third one I will just click here, and here I will just control name that one. In the third image I will just remove that, and that is the third gallery item, and that one is the third gallery item, and just select that. Now we have three, and here we don't need that buttons, and as well as in that buttons we don't need that buttons because we don't need that. So here there is a gallery item name, I think, so we don't need also that. So here remove that, and here you can see, or you can say whatever you want, but I don't like the names on the images, so I will just remove that. Now you can see this is now hovering and good. Now if I click here, UI and UX design is here, but in the development it is also showing that, but because we don't need have any items for others, so that's why it's also showing into others. Okay, whatever. Now we need to customize the design. So here in the gallery item styles, and in the styles I will select on items, and here a video icons and general, and there is a radius. No, in the content we need image height, so image height should be empty, and image width should be empty because our images have own height and width. So now these are good. Now as it is, this is looking like that. So here I will just click on update, and let's see how it looks like in the preview. So now this is looking good, and if I click here, and sorry, here these are, but it is not looking in UI UX design. And here I'll just click here and paste here, paste into the list item, sorry, and gallery items, and here this one is this one, and this one, and this one, and just click on update. Now it is here, and just click on, yeah, you can see these are appearing, but on the development we don't have any items yet. So it is how you can add the items into your sections and make a beautiful gallery like that. Now there is a issue within the spacing, so I'm gonna add a margin here. I just click here, and now we're gonna add a margin 30 is good, or 35. Now let's click on update, and let's see. Now you can see there is a margin is 35, but 35 is too much. I think just 30 is good. Now the next section is this one, or whatever customers say or something like that. So this is also simple. I will just duplicate that section and modify that. So here I have duplicated that and just drag and drop here, and now we have duplicated that section and we're gonna make changes into that section. So now we need to make this area and this one. First of all, here we have customer feedback, so I will just say customer feedback. So now we have customer feedback here. Another thing that is very important here, that one, what our customers says. So here I will just check here what our customers. So here I will say what our, here I will say customers say about us. Okay, now I will let you know how you can modify. Now we have 3 items below that. So first of all, we gonna add this is not required, so I will just make it 100%, and here I will check 100%, sorry, 100%. Okay, no, we cannot make it 100%, but don't worry. Here I will add a new intersection here for now. Here now I will add a new row and copy that items into the new row here, and copy that and paste here. And I will let you know why I did that, because we need that items, and I will just delete that. And now you can see this is in top, and now this is also in top. So now the thing is how we can modify that. Now you can see I have rearranged it here and make it here. Now good, and here there is no text below that, and I will just delete that as well as, and here there is no button, and I will just remove that button also. Now we need 3 intersections here in that. So here I will just copy that and paste into that intersection. So I will just add a new intersection here. So I will just click here and just search for intersection, and here you can see there is an intersection, and I need 3 columns, so I will add a new column. So I have now 3 columns because there are 3 columns. Now we need add these items into that one, so I will just copy that and paste here. Now you can see we have 2 rows, and I'll just delete that, and I will just add duplicate because we need in 3 columns. Now you can see we have 3 columns here. Now we're gonna modify that, and we're gonna modify a bit. First of all, we need to change this icon, and this icon is here. So you can see this icon here, and now into that here, this one, and this is icon. So I will just export it as SVG. So just click it and SVG and export that. Now we have SVG. Now we're gonna change that into that one. Sorry, I just go to click on upload SVG, and here I have added this SVG here. Now you can see this is insert in media. Now you can see this is here. So as well as change it by upload SVJ, and I have already uploaded, so just select that, and here also select that, select from upload SVJ here. Okay, now we have 3 items. Now the last part is stars, so I will search for stars. Now you can see star rating, so just drag and drop here. So I will just here. Now you can see these are 5 stars, so these are 5, so these are also 5. Okay. First of all, we need to change the stars colors, so in the color we need that color. So here, now you can see the star color, and size spacing, it should be like that. Now you can see this is a spacing and almost that, and then click here and make it center, because we need in center. So these are also center. Now just copy that and paste here, and here just remove here. Now just paste here and move here, okay, here. Now you can see these are items here, and this section is looking very nice. Now this section is completed, and if you wanna change the size of icon, I think this icon is too much big, and so 1 second. Let's see, we'll do that later, but for now this is good, and I will remove that because we don't need that now. So I just click on update, and now the final section is this one. This is very easy also. So like that, other sections we'll just copy and paste the items and make the section. So here I just can just click here and copy, and here I will just paste. Now we have items. So first of all, this is called frequently asked questions, so I'll just copy that text, and here I will just say frequently asked questions. So here I will just paste that, and here questions, so I will just say questions. Okay, so now the frequently asked is on start, so this is like that. So the thing is there is BR, so here I will just make it 480. Now you can see frequently asked questions is here. Now we don't need that, and S. Okay, now these are called FAQs, so here I will search for FAQ. Now in the same plugin there is a FAQ option. FAQ, if you search for FAQ here, and here is the advanced FAQ according, so I'll just drag and drop here. And first of all we need this question, so just copy that question, and here in the content here, content setting, so there are tabs. I will just delete that, and the first one is this one, and the answer is this one. Copy and paste into the answer. Okay, now we have answer and questions, and there is an icon. So icon is, I'll think this one, arrow. So here arrow, in the arrow, let's see which one is that, and this one is not an arrow. So you can see this one. So actually this one is an arrow. So the close tab is not an icon. So here if you click here, you can see there this one and this one. So here I think this one is this one. Okay, now the close tab is this one and this one. Okay, now this is good, and if you just duplicate that, we have 1 2 3 4 5 questions. So 3 4 5, so 5 questions. And here in general settings you can see this one, we don't need that, we need this one above that. So here you can see this one and this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so we can also delete that, and here enable toggle icon, and you can also enable and disable. Now we need to style it, and first of all the tab setting. So in the tab setting, here the tab setting, first of all the typography is pop-in. So here I'll just select for pop-ins, and here no, and here it should be 16 I think, or 15, and here font weight should be 300. So this is 300, as well as font weight is 300. Okay, now and the icon size is 16, so icon size we can make it bigger. Here you can see this icon, and I think this one is 16. Okay, now there is a padding tab between that. So here is the padding, so you can make it top padding should be 20, bottom should be 20. Okay, and left right should be 30 and 30. Okay, now this is looking good. Okay, now the margin, I think the margin between top and bottom is almost 20, and you can see there is a margin, and this is I think good, and if you make it 25, that's good. Okay, now here you can see there's background color. So if you select the background color, you can see this one, and in that one I think this one is the background color, as well as if you select the color here, so this is the black. If you select the black, you can see this is black. So but for now we need this one, and here the text color is that one, and icon color is that one, and here general settings, sorry, and tab style, remain in the tab style, and here this one color is that, and the hover color is also the black, and the hover icon color is the black. So here the hover icon color is also black, and the hover background color is also black. So here, so we need to change the hover text color to white and white. Now this one, this one, this one. Okay, now the border radius, for the border radius I think this is border radius is 5 or 55, and no, this is almost 10, so I am making it 10, or you can make it 7 8. I think this is almost 5, so I'm making it 5, so this is 5. Now here also go here and in the active, so active background color is the background color, active background color is black, and if I click here you can see the active background color is black. Now this is good, and now this is enough. I think we have made the styles and style. Now the final thing is I think content style. In the content style we should add padding. So here the left padding is 50, I think 50, and okay, the top padding is 30, and the bottom padding is also 30. So the right one is 20, so that's good. Now this is looking very nice, and just click on update and it will be refreshed, and here is the FAQ section, and here this width is, I think this width is too much, so don't worry. Okay, now we're gonna add another inner section, so I will just search for inner section and drag and drop here, and just delete one item because we don't need that, and drag and drop into inner section. And here in the inner section we make it width almost this one or this one. Just click on update and it will be refreshed now. So now we need to add some padding above that, so just click here, and here in advanced in margin which is 30 or 50, so that's good, and just click on update. So now this FAQ area is also done. Now this is looking very beautiful and very attractive. Now the final this section on the home page is very easy, so I'm going to add this final section, and then we are going to add a footer and our page will be completed. Make this section. So here I will just click on we can just duplicate that and just remove that sorry, here I just need to duplicate that one, and here you can see, and here I just don't need this section, and above that it is called content and so on. So this is two sections, so add a new column, and here first of all it is say contact us, and this is one line, I mean this one. So this one I just copy that and delete that one and paste here. Now this one is here, and just click here, and here we need contact us, so I will say contact us. Okay, so we don't need that, and here as well as if you just drag and drop it here and here, and as well as if you contact us for getting us everything, so on, just copy that, and here I just wanna paste here, and this one is contact, so I will just make it contact, and there is no BR here, and just copy that, and because contact is on the start, and here and here, and make it line left, and this is line left, and if you make it here, this is in inner section, so we don't need it in inner section. This one is also in the above section, so here as well as if you see that we can we can work together, that's good, and here I don't need that, and here this is the text area, so I'll just search for text editor and drag and drop here and paste that here, and you can see there is some margin, and here in that I will add top margin 30, so that's nice. Now there is a form and there is an image, so I will just export this image for now and export as SVG or PNG, and just export that, and this one is here, and if you click here and there is a background, I mean this one is the background, so just copy that, and here in the background I will add this as a background color, and here this one is a background color. Okay, now the background is done and image is exported, so here in the image I will search for image, and here is the image, and just upload this image here now, and there you can see the image is attached, but there is not, but don't worry, I here, and bottom padding we make it 0. You can see this is not now, but bottom padding if I make it 10 and make it -10 or 20 and 20 and it is not attached. Okay, don't worry. And here in the image, I just click an image, style, and margin bottom, I make it -10, and you can see this is now attached with the border. Okay, anyway, now we're gonna add a form here and search for form. So here, if we search for form, there is a contact form, so you just need to click that here, and there is a form. Now we need to add name, your name, email, and message. So here, just deselect the labels, we don't need the labels, and here you can see your name in the name, so I will just select your name in the label, as well as in the email I will select your email in the placeholder and your email. Okay, now the third one is the message, so I will say your message. So here is the your message. Okay, now we go ahead in the style and in the buttons. The button, it says submit message, so buttons, in that I will select submit message. Okay, there is a button that called submit message, and it should be that one, and I will modify that, but don't worry about that. So button should be almost 30%, 33 or 40%. 40% is too much. I think 40 is good. I will make the style of this button and line left. Okay, now the button text is also added, and now we are going to style it. First of all, we need to style, and we make the button, and in the button border radius is and here is the padding, so I make it 0 for now. And here you can see the left padding is almost 20. Sorry, here left is 20 and right is also 20, and the top and bottom is almost 10. Bottom is 10. Okay, so you can make it 5 almost, or lesser than 5, and that's not enough. 7, that's good for me. And here you can see there is a button typography, so I will select for button, it is Poppins. Okay, this is Poppins, and should be 16. Okay, you can make it 15 or 16 according to your font weight. Should be 500 or 400. So you can see this is 400, or you can also make it 300. This is lighter. Okay, now this form, and you can see there is a border radius into the field. So there is a field, and you can see this field background color is white. That's good. And the typography, background color, border width is 1, and border radius is almost 3. Okay, the border radius is 3, and the border color, you can see the border color, and let's see the border color, what the border color is. The border color, let's see, I think this one is CSCA. Let's select the border color. Border color is CACA, as this one is almost okay, this one. Okay, now the final step is the text color. In that field, typography, text color is black, and the background color is right one, and this one is message, and here is the form. And text color, label text color, this is the label text color, so label text color is also black. And HTML field, here background color is done, message is done. So here, that's good, that's enough, and I think this is good. So now if I click on update, now the final step is making a margin. So here I just want to add a margin top that is almost 50, as well as if we click here content, and here buttons, email, and here in the style, form, column gap and row gap. So there is a gap because this gap is higher, and I think this one is good. So this one is fine now. Okay, so this one is fine now, and that's good. Okay, now we need to add the final one is the footer area. So this is the footer that we are going to add. So there are 4 columns, and just click here and add a 3 columns, and add a new column is called here. So here you click here, and this is background color is this one, and here I'll just select here style, and the background color is this one. Okay, this one is background color, and if you see this width is mucher than this one and this one. Okay, now I will add image here. So here I just select for image, and here I want to add the logo again. So I have already uploaded the logo, because so that's why I think I have forgot where it is. Okay, I just want to export it again, export, and as PNG I have exported this image, and just click on upload, and just upload this logo image, this one, and select this one, and here you can see this one is here. Okay, now there is a text, and also make it 1200, because all other are 1200. So here width is 1200. Okay, now this is good, and here this is a text, and just copy that text, and I will add this text area into that and paste here. Good one, and select style, and the typography should be this one. Okay, so this one is the color, and if you go here and increase the width of this, because this is in 3 lines. Okay, now you can see there are the social icons, and this one is also align left, so make it align left. And here if I search for social icons here, okay, there you can see the social icons are here. So now we need Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So Facebook and Instagram, so I will search for Instagram, insert here, and another one is Twitter is here, and LinkedIn. So here I will add a new items is LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn. So this one is here. Now we need to make the style of this. So here just click here, and I will select the circle. So now use the circle. Now we need to make the style here. So in the style we need to make the official color to custom color, and the primary color is this one, this one. So now you can see this color is changed. Now the final step is the size of icons. I think it should be, let's see what the size of this icon is. Let's see, it is almost 100, almost 16, but this is not going to be work for us. Let's see, 16, that's good. And the padding and spacing, so there is a spacing, so you can see this is a spacing here. Okay, now we need to make it align left, so this is our align left right now. So that's amazing. And now there is heading, and there is a list item. So I'll just click here and search for heading, and here I will make it H4 and H3. Okay, now this is a service. So services, I just copy and paste services, and in the style I'll just click here, make it pop-ins, and the size is almost 18, and the font weight is 400, because this is not too much bold. And in the color it should be this one, and I think this one is 17, and make it 500 bold. Okay, so this one. And now we need to add list items, because we need a list of icons here there is UI UX design and so on. So I'll just copy that, and here, sorry, UX, and here we don't need this icon, and here is the website dev, and we don't need that icon here. And here is another item is mobile dev, so here is mobile dev, so we don't need that. And another one is SEO, so here is the SEO, and gonna delete that. So this one, and again in the settings, in the settings we need to make some of settings into that. First of all, you can see there is a space between, so space between is almost this one, and alignment should be left. And here in the text we're gonna make the typography is Poppins as we used for all, and here we make the text size is 16, and font weight is almost 400, and the text color is almost this one. Okay, so this one, you can make it almost as this one. Okay, now we have these list items, and there is a spacing between the this one and here. I'll just click here, and advanced and margin top should be 30. Okay, 30 is too much, or I think 30. Okay, 30 is not good. Okay, it should be 25. Now that's good. And here almost this is looking good, and that's good. Okay, now again I'll just duplicate and paste here, and duplicate that and paste here. And here I just wanna change the resources and copy that and make it resources, and into the resources you can add these items as you need it. And here there is contact information, so here just copy that, duplicate that, and here is the contact information. And just like that we gonna duplicate that, and here I just wanna add this one, but there is a difference because we need items here. So here I just click here, and in the content, in the UX design, we need to remove that. And here I will just select this one, and here in the icon we should search for email, so it is involved. So here, so this one and this one I just select and insert. You can see there is an icon for email as well as the phone number, and copy the phone number as well as, and here search for phone, and search for phone, and here is this one is insert here, and this item is phone. As you can see, this one is the I think address, so item, and here and search for map, and here this is the map, and this one is icon. And you can see now the final step is in the style we need to make the change in the icon style. So here is the icon color, so this is the icon color, and icon size is I think 16, so 16 or 17, make it according to your requirements. And now this is good. And now we need to add spacing, because you can see the spacing between this one and this one. And here in that I will just click on advanced, and here padding top is 70, padding bottom is also 70. Now you can see the padding is adding on above and below. Now the final step is here, and here is a border into that, and style, in the style is border, and in that border bottom should be 2, and the border style is solid, and border, sorry, radius is not 2, border width is bottom is 2. Okay, 2, and the color for the border is also gray one, this one. And here I just want to duplicate that, and here I just remove the other this one, and this one. Okay, now we need to add this this footer area, copyright area. So just copy that, and in that I will paste that copyrights, and as well as you can see, so we need it into 2 columns. So right now it is in 2 columns. Just delete that and just delete that, and in the resources we don't need that, and just delete also this one. Now this one we need to make it this style, and you can see these are right now like that. So now we need to add this website terms, and here is the website terms, and privacy policy, copy that, and privacy policy, and here is the cookie policy, copy that, and the cookie policy is this one, and remove that, and now style and space between, make it right that, as well as you can see there is a divider, you can add or not, and into the text you can see text color, typography, and text efficient, you can see underline. So these are underlined right now, so these are also underlined. Okay, so this there I was added a margin, so we don't need that, and here in the padding we don't need the padding above and bottom, and here. Okay, now you can see there is a bit padding, and in the top I should add 10, in the bottom I should add 10. Okay, so right now just click on update. Now if you see that this color is not good, and I think this border is not good, so I click here and just click on border and make it 1 pixel, and in the color I should select this one and just click on update, and because this color is not visible, so that's why. Now this is good, and this is looking very awesome to me, and I don't know how you looks like, but I think this is an amazing for me. Okay, now this page is completely done. Now we need to make it mobile responsive. So how we can make it mobile responsive, and this is very easy. First of all, we need to click here and just click on responsive, and in the responsive just click on this tab icon, and this is a tablet view. So in the tablet view you can see there are some items that are conflicting each other. So first of all we need to make it here and make it here, and also make it here, and now the title is in the style, just click on typography, and it is 48, so make it 32. That's good. So 48 made 32, so 48 it is 32, and make it 32. Okay, also you can see this title, and also in the typography you make it 32. Okay, so like that we also need to make it 32, and here in the style make it 32, and here in that one make it 32. So here this one is also 32, style make it 32. Now this is, and if you see that button is not good, so in the tablet view the mobile button should be 42, I think 50. So this is good. Now if you see that this is a good look. Okay, now in that one you can see this is looking messy, but you can make the changes accordingly. But now for tablet view this is almost good, but if you see here for that, and it should be 30, and it should be also 40, and it should be 30. Okay, now this is looking good for tablet. Now if you click on mobile, so for the mobile view you can see this is looking messy, so this should be here, and it should be 100%, and for mobile it should be center line. And here at this one the text should be 60 to I think 40 is not good, 30, so 30 is good. And line height is not good, I think this one. Okay, now you can see these items are above and below, so make it here, click here and make it align center, and also make it align center. Now you can see these are aligned center, and you can see this one, just make it here or here and drag and drop here. And here in the column you can see this column, and just wanna click here, and this section, and here is the column, and here is the spacer. So I have added a spacer here, so make it below that, like that. And here you can see this one is almost too much, so for that I just click on style and just wanna make it 25 or 20. That's true, 20 is good, 22 is good. Now in the line height you can see the line height is too much, and it is 1.2 em. Okay, here in that, and if you click on advanced and padding, and left and right padding should be 10 or 15. Okay, 15 and 15, so this is good. Just like that, this is almost I think 30, 22 and 1.2, and here I will select 22 and line height should be 1.2. okay, and just like that we're gonna add a padding into left and right, and the padding should be top should be 120, so it should be 50. Sorry, I just selected padding. Top should be 50 and bottom should be 50, and right should be I think 15, and left should be 15. That's good, so that's nice. Okay, now for that one you can see this is missing, so just click here in the intersection, and here in the advanced just click on margin top should be 80. Now it is good. And now in the intersection just click on advanced, and margin top should be left is 10, right is 10, and margin top should be 70. Okay, 70 is good. Okay, right, like that. I just click on copy, and here I will just paste style. Okay, now this is paste style, and here I will just click on advanced and margin should be 0, and this is good. And here click on paste style, and this is copied the style into that. Now it is also 22, and here is 22 and 1.2. okay, now this is good, and this is 1.22 and 1.2. so here just like that you can see there we're gonna paste the style, and here paste the style and paste the style here, because we were copied the style from the sections from like that. Okay, now in that frequently asked questions I just make it 22 and make it 1.2. okay, here this is good, this is good, and this is good, this is also good. So this is how you can make it mobile responsive, as well as you can add your own. Making mobile responsive is not very pretty job. You can make it with your own expertise. Finally, we have converted this Figma template into this responsive website. You can see this is a fully responsive for tablet view, for mobile view, as well as for desktop views. And we have did it with very deep research and with a complete tutorial. I mean, this is not very fast. I given the complete points and I try to teach you with my best resources. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and comment below with your opinion and also give your valuable suggestions. I hope you will again come to my tutorials and watch the next videos. Thank you.